Welcome back to Stupid Apple Rumors. Today we're going to cover the meaning behind Apple's first slogan, Bite into an apple. Let's begin. One of the most recognizable logos in the world is the Apple logo. The simple yet elegant design has become synonymous with innovation and creativity. But did you know Apple's first slogan, Bite into an apple, was a clever play on words, as it referenced both the company's name and the computer term byte. However, the slogan was also short-lived, as it was only used for a few years before being replaced by Think Different in 1997. The Think Different campaign was a huge success, and it helped to cement Apple's reputation as a forward-thinking company. So what is the meaning behind Apple's first company slogan, Bite into an apple? It's a reminder that Apple is a company that is always looking to push the boundaries of what's possible. And that's why they've been able to create some of the most innovative and groundbreaking products in the world. So there you have it. Catchy and smart. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give it a like and a thumbs up.